Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Judy Dahlgren and I am a consultant for Close to My Heart. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Today I'm going to be making a layout using the Summer Vibes paper pack, and I want to show you the sticker sheet and a few of the sheets that I've got in here. Sticker sheet has the UV coating. I guess if I turn that, you could probably see the shine on those. It's just like a plastic coating on some of the items on your sticker sheet that just adds a little more dimension and interest to your pieces. And these are some of the pieces that are in it. I love this floral. I love the red check and the green leaves with the wave paper. Another one is this stripe. I don't have a whole sheet available, but on the other side is the summer fun popsicles and sunglasses and watermelon, and it is just loaded with lots of different items that I'm going to be using as sun rays. So that is the papers, and I love having the stripe as a border strip. So this is what I came out with, and this was a Cricut cut that I did. And this is the other part. I took the yellow part and used it on another layout. And I'll add a picture of that at the end of this video to so you can see what it looks like. And these are the pieces that were also used from that. Okay, this is what's left over from that cut. So I'm laying it the opposite way to use these pieces. This sun is a Cricut cut from the collection. And this is what's underneath, and I just lay it on a piece of the white daisy. Okay, so I'm going to show you the difference that inking makes. I'm going to use our sponge daubers and the nectarine ink. Okay. Now, as you can see, this looks okay. You know, I like it. But adding the ink on the edges of these will make these rays pop. It'll be a dramatic difference. And it doesn't take that long. But look at the difference in this one and that. It just gives it so much more definition. If you go to the trouble of using these pieces, you might as well go the extra distance to really make them pop. And it doesn't take very long. Now, sometimes I'll run the paper along the side of my ink pad. You may have seen me do that, but that only gets the very edge. Using the sponge dauber gets it a little bit deeper into the paper, and you have a gradient of the darker to the lighter with the sponge dauber. This is one of the ways where you can get white paper that has a white base with decorations on it, like this, to pop against a white base or a lighter color base. If I were to put this on a yellow base, it would stand out, but not the way it would with this orange ink on the edges. As you can see how the edge is there as compared to what that edge looks like. See? Okay. And I have given myself the license to be free with my creativity instead of worried about getting my scrapbooking done and caught up, which I never will, and I hope I never will, because I love the scrapbook. Add it to this piece, because I think once I do one piece with the ink, I need to finish with the rest. It just doesn't look like it is all coordinated as well. see how much that pops on that yellow now. Here and here. Okay. Now this is the red that I had on top. Because it's a darker color, it really doesn't need any inking. I could ink it because it is a white core, but I don't think it needs it. So that is what a difference. Okay, and I'll come back with this and finish it off. Okay, this is my finished page. What I came up with was a couple of photo mats. These are actually the insides of our rectangle dies, the medium one. I use that as a photo mat and put the white photo mats that Close to My Heart gives you in all of the scrapbook kits like this. And I cut it down to match the picture just to give it some more definition. The white makes them pop. And this is a large photo mat, and I had a piece of paper that I had stamped flowers on, and it has that nectarine ink, so that I thought matched really well. And there's not a lot there to draw your eye to confuse anything because it isn't anywhere else on the page. It's just you see the orange representation. Okay, so, and then the summer is with the orange, and that is backed with a shadow of black to make that pop. Now, the little icons here of the popsicle and the ice cream cone, I use a shimmer brush on them to give them some shimmer, make them pop, and I also did that on the sun rays to make that pop off of the other yellow. And those are two different yellows, but with that shimmer brush on there, it looks beautiful. I love the way it looks. Okay, what else did I do? I added a black line around here to give it some definition, and around the journaling block. And I added a sticker from the sticker sheet. And I love the sunglasses. Those are also a Cricut cut. These are all the Cricut cuts. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, that is the page that I did. And that is complete, and we're on to another one. Okay, I wanted to get back on and show you the other page that I use with that die cut. It is this, you can't really see it as sun rays in the back. It's just very subtle. But maybe with this side by side, you'll be able to see. I think if I had inked the edges, it would have popped a lot more. But it's already done, so it's beside the point. And I also added some of the acrylic pieces from the Summer Vibes collection. I love the flip-flops and the sun. And let's see, and these are from the Cricut cuts. And that is the companion page for this one. So, different, but well, close enough to match in my scrapbook.